Kanu said that we're supposed to know or find out the truth about what he has said. Why is it that since Buhari has claimed that is in Aso Rock, why is it that he has never come up with corporate wears that he used to put on suit before so he can remove his cap? Why is it that he cannot remove his cap? Let us see his back. Why is it he cannot do that? Why is it that people don't want to talk about that? Why is people afraid saying that Buhari is dead and Jubril is there in Aso Rock? Listen, if I happen to see Jubril outside the zoo, if I happen to see Jubril outside the zoo, I will let him know that I am a general. I will let Jubril know that I am a general. If I sight him anywhere in diaspora, I personally happen to sight him anywhere in diaspora, I will get him handcuffed. I will get him handcuffed. I will just handcuff him and make sure I bring him to book. If I happen to see Jubril, outside in diaspora, anywhere at all, and I happens to be there, personally, I'm not talking about anybody. Personally, I happens to be there, I will get him handcuffed. I will put him handcuffed and make sure I hand him over to international authority for him to be questioned, for him to be investigated, because he is not Buhari. Jubril is supposed to be handcuffed and pushed away from Aso Rock. Let Biafra become a nation. Why are you people afraid of saying that Jubril is the man in Aso Rock? Why is it that nobody can talk about that? Why is it that our so-called senators, our so-called governors, why are you people you people are a very big shame? Woe to all of you, cowards you are. All of you are but cowards, representing the people in the federal processors without a voice. You cannot open your mouth and say that Jubril is the one sitting in Aso Rock. Jubril is not Buhari. Buhari is dead. If personally I happen to see Jubril outside, I said I will handcuff him. I will handcuff him and get him arrested and hand him over to the international community for them to investigate him as a general, because he is an impostor. He is an impostor. He is impersonating Buhari. Buhari is dead. I am not happy. I am not happy because the people representing the people in the federal parastatals, they don't have voice. Jubril has to be arrested. It is time to focus on this Jubril matter. We don't need to talk about anything but to get Jubril arrested. I have gotten handcuffed for Jubril. Anywhere at all I see Jubril in diaspora, I will get him arrested. Anywhere at all I see him outside the country, outside the zoo, I will get Jubril arrested. Jubril has to be arrested. This is the time to arrest Jubril. Jubril don't have to be there more than this year. Jubril has to be arrested. Has to be a problem. Has to be the trade of the season. The matter about Jubril has to be everything. Everybody must have to be concentrated talking about. It is time to do away with this stupid. It is time to do away with this rubbish. Let Jubril be arrested now. Jubril has to be arrested now. We don't have to discuss about any other thing, because if Jubril is not there, all these tyrannies will not be happening in the great nation called Biafra. 460-something Boko Haram that was sent to cell, that was sent to jail, was released just for no reason's sake, that they have repented. And they converted them from Boko Haram into the military. For what? So that they will be killing the Biafrans. And all of them are being sent to Biafrans. Listen, sometimes I watch in the house when they are debating. When they are debating, they said from Lagos to East, you have about 700 or is it 70-something, about 70-something checkpoints, or 270-something checkpoints from Lagos to East. And when I look at it, I said, when have we come to this extent? Having all these checkpoints is not targeting any other person. It's not targeting the Fulanis with their cattle. It's not targeting any other people, but Biafran nations. They are the people they are targeting. I want to tell us something. You know, Often at times, people will say, why is it that the military will not go to Sambisa forest and fight Boko Haram? Which Boko Haram do you want them to fight? The Boko Haram are training themselves. The Boko Haram are Nigerian militaries. They are training themselves in Sambisa forest. After they finalize their training, when they graduate out of their training, when they are fit to go, they will capture them and convert them to Nigerian military, then send them to the east for them to fight us. Why do you think we have a lot of checkpoints in Biafra? Is because they want to extort money from us? No! Listen, the zoo, the so-called Nigeria, is very, 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 very afraid of Biafra to rise up again. But soon, Biafra will rise. Biafra will rise, oh. Yes, Biafra will rise. I want to tell us something. In the time of Otokoto and Co. did a lot of things. But one blood of Ikechukwu revoked the whole thing they did. And they were captured and apprehended.